What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with AQUALUX Auto Detailing. Hopefully y'all are having a great Tuesday. I'll jump right into it. So, found a new acid-based wheel cleaner at Walmart and I wanted to give it a whirl. Gonna try it out on my wife's Sequoia. It's been about probably 5 or 6 weeks since I've cleaned it. I don't want to say these are hammered, but brake dust is pretty good. And this product kind of piqued my interest because I was looking at everything on the shelf and then kind of stumbled across this, and I was really attracted to it because of the price. Bear with me. And the price for this stuff is $2.19. That's what I paid for it. Now you might find it a little bit more, so I mean maybe under $3, but I mean it's Auto Drives, it's Walmart's brand, and it's made in the USA. Took me a little bit to find the SDS sheet on it, but I finally found it. Excuse me, can't even think. Finally found it, and it's acid-based wheel cleaner. So anyways, I'm gonna hit this straight with it and show y'all how it works. I'm very impressed with it, especially for an over-counter product, and it's very effective. I tested it a few times and I was like, okay, I gotta show everybody else this, what I found out. So hopefully y'all can understand why I like something like this, especially if you need something over-the-counter acid-based. That's definitely a win. I know there's some other out there, but I mean, really for the price, I mean, you can't really argue with something that's costing $2 and, you know, some change. I mean, I ain't gonna fuss about it. I haven't tried diluting it yet. I just use it straight. I mean, I probably wouldn't want to. I mean, at the price, it's not gonna really bother me, but I mean, hey, if you're in a pinch, Walmart, check this stuff out. Ultimate all-wheel and tire cleaner, Auto Drive at Walmart. Alright, we're gonna let that set a couple more seconds and then I'll hit it. So, man, it is cold today. It's like 35 degrees here. Okay, I'm a Texas boy, so anything under 50, I'm going to tell you it's cold. So, anyways, all right, I'm going to get the pressure washer and watch how this works. Not bad for a little $2 some change purchase. Check that out. Look at that. It's right where I hit my finger. They look great. Yeah, there's some curb rash on it, but whatever. Not too worried about that. So, hope y'all get something from this. I thought it was awesome. Can't really pass up a great buy like this. It's really sweet, especially because it's acid based. I don't see it advertised everywhere, so I'm impressed. So hopefully this helps some of y'all out, and I'll catch you later. Thanks so much.